Today we're going to learn how to write the chemical formula of molecular compounds. Molecular compounds happen when you have a compound between two or more nonmetals. They're different from ionic because you need to pay attention to these prefixes. So let's take a look at the three examples that I have here. The first one says carbon tetrachloride. So the first thing you want to do is figure out what elements you're working with. So I've got some carbon and I've got some chlorine. And then from the prefixes, that tells me what number of each I need, and that becomes my subscript. So because there isn't a prefix before carbon, that just tells me there's one of them. I don't need a subscripted one. I can just write the element symbol down, and that tells me I have one of them. The next word is tetrachloride. So that tells me that I have four. Four is tetrachlorine. So that is the correct chemical formula for carbon tetrachloride. The next one, carbon monoxide. Again, I don't have a prefix here, so that just tells me I have one carbon. But if you look, the prefix on oxygen is mono, which is one. Now, I didn't put mono here because I don't need to on the first element, but I do need to put mono when I only have one of the second element. So the correct way to write this is just CO. And then my last example is dinitrogen trioxide. So I've got nitrogen and I've got oxygen. This time I do have a prefix at the beginning. It's di, so that means I have 2 nitrogen, and tri tells me I have 3 oxygen.